Hello everyone, welcome to today's Time for Adults Coloring Crafts. My name is Charmaine and today I will be showing you how to make these DIY yarn hearts, which will make a perfect decoration for Valentine's Day. Let's get started. To make these DIY yarn hearts, you will need some yarn of whatever color you prefer, a styrofoam tray. You can use one from a meat package and clean it up before using it, scissors, and optionally needle and thread. Making these yarn hearts are very easy. First, you will cut out a heart shape from the styrofoam tray using the scissors, and it's okay for your hearts to be of different shapes and sizes. Next, you'll be winding the yarn around the styrofoam heart until it completely covers it, like so. After you finish winding the yarn around the styrofoam, tie the two ends of the yarn in the back and trim any leftover yarn hanging from the ends, like so. After it's tied, just cut the ends like this. As you can see, that was pretty easy, but if you would like to create an ornament, optionally you can use a needle and thread to insert it into the top of the heart and then tie the ends of the string with a few knots to create a loop. Insert it in like this and then grab one of the strands of the thread and then remove the needle and then get the two ends of the string and tie the ends together. I did one knot. I'm going to do perhaps two more. And then use your scissors to trim off the excess thread at the end of the knot. So you can hang this ornament from the wall, or if you'd like, you can also use some small branches, put them in a vase, and hang these hearts from the branches, which would make a really nice centerpiece. Thank you for watching this video. If you create this craft, we would love to see what you make. Please share your creations on our social media and tag the Moreno Valley Public Library. We would love to see the crafts that you make. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!